Okay, so hey guys, this is Smith and today we are going to draw the Haworth projection of fructose. So let's start, okay. The Haworth projection of fructose is derived from 4 carbon and an oxygen, that is 4 carbon 5 membered ring-like structure, that is furan. Okay, so Haworth projection of fructose is derived from the structure of furan. This is the structure of furan. You can remember a cherry on a cupcake, right? It looks similar to the cherry on a cupcake. So let's draw our desired structure, that is structure of fructose, right? So now we are going to draw the structure of fructose. अरे स्मिथ, तूने तो फिर से वही बना दिया. अरे नहीं बनाया, रुको तो सही, दोनों सिमिलर है. The 80% of the structure of fructose is made. Now just put carbon, right? Just put carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, everything, right? Now you will tell, अरे formula of fructose is C6H12O6. इधर तो 4 ही कार्बन है. अरे रुको ना भैया, बना रहा हूँ, right? इधर आएगा CH2OH, right? इधर भी आएगा CH2OH, right? रेडी? इधर आएगा H, इधर आएगा OH. रेडी? इधर आएगा H, इधर आएगा OH. चेरी ऑन अ कपकेक, लिट्टी बनाओ, राइट? CH2OH, H, CH2OH, OH. रेडी? ऑल राइट. इधर H है तो इधर भी H आएगा. अब इधर H है तो इधर ऑब्वियसली OH आएगा, राइट? अब इधर OH है तो इधर H आएगा, और इधर H है तो इधर OH आएगा. This is nothing but the structure, I mean the Haworth structure of fructose. Its name could be given as alpha, right? Let me just check. Yes, it is D only. Yes, alpha D minus furanose. Right, this is the structure of alpha D plus fructofuranose, right? So now you will say अब बीटा क्या है? और हाँ, yes, इधर माइनस इसलिए आया क्योंकि fructose is a levorotatory compound which rotates the plane polarized right at left side, and earlier we did was glucose. Here it came that alpha D plus glucose or beta D plus glucose plus इसलिए आया क्योंकि glucose is a dextrorotatory, it rotates the plane polarized light into right hand side. So let's not discuss this. So this is the structure of alpha D minus fructofuranose. Now अब you will say what is beta? इधर कर दो beta, ऐसा मत करना, right? अब इधर बीटा कर दिया तो कुछ नहीं करना, ये खाली रब कर देना है, ठीक है? इधर आ जाएगा OH और इधर आएगा CH2OH. Simple, right? This is nothing but beta D minus fructofuranose. Just rotate this, right? So it will become beta. Now just again rotate this, then it will become alpha. Okay, so now it's very easy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.